Oh!
Drop the head to the left, drop it. Drop the head to the right. Okay, let's start by bringing your arms down by your side for me, okay? And I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay? So in a second, I'll have you take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. I'm going to apply a little pressure and give you a push, okay? Nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. Very nice. Okay, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Alright, so I'm going to apply a little pressure here, okay? So in just a second, I'll have you take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. You'll feel me do a little wiggle and pull towards me, okay? Deep breath in, all the way out. Go ahead one more time. All the way out.
Oh!
How did that feel?
It was something else. Oh.
Get a good release on that?
Yeah, that felt real great.
Awesome. Take your time. Just relax it for me. Same thing here, just relax it. There we go. A little pull here, just relax it. Same thing here. I'm going to do an adjustment to the neck, okay? So if you just lay your head right into my hand, okay? Relax that shoulder there for me. Go ahead and drop the head to the left, drop it. Relax that shoulder for me. Drop the head to the right. Wow. Some big release, man. How'd that feel?
Whoa.
Feel good?
Yes.
Awesome. Bring the hand down. Just relax it.